What's the first thing to do when you want more of that big bass sound? Boost the bass with the low shelf EQ filter, of course. Okay, don't lie, we've all done it. Unfortunately, that's not the best way to get a full and rich bass sound, and it can actually make the bass sound a little muddy. Instead of boosting the bass, let me give you 3 counterintuitive tips. This video is brought to you by Behringer X32 Mastery, the fastest way for church sound techs to master the X32. And with a team license, you can enroll unlimited team members now and in the future. Finally, everyone will be on the same page. Visit x32.church or click the link in the description to learn more. Now, the tips I'm about to go over actually came from a good friend of mine, James Wasson. He's the author of Great Church Sound, a book I highly recommend picking up on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. All right, the first tip is to cut frequencies below 40 hertz. Now, the lowest note on a 4-string bass guitar only goes down to 41 hertz, so filtering frequencies below that note just helps remove any extra rumble and clear up the lows. Now, the next tip, boost the mids for more clarity and tone. Mid frequencies in the 400 to 900 hertz range will have a lot of tone and punch from the harmonic frequencies of the bass strings. So applying a modest boost of select frequencies in this range can help clear up a muddy sounding bass, add more defined musical tone, and could provide some of that extra punch that you're looking for. And here's the third tip, add presence and pop with a high mids boost. Now, if your bass player uses a pick or likes to play like slap bass style, then making a small boost in the 1 to 4 kilohertz range will really make that string sound stand out. Now, while using EQ to cut frequencies is always the preferred method, don't be afraid to boost a few frequencies here and there. It can really be effective in making things pop in your mix. Now, if you find yourself overwhelmed with EQ, James Wasson and I created a course just for you. Get everything you need and nothing you don't to feel comfortable and confident as you're adjusting those EQ filters. Learn more about the EQ crash course at collaborateworship.com/EQ. I'll also include a link in the description. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the little bell so that we can let you know when a new video comes out. I'll see you next time.